We have all had those moments when we are faced with stubborn rivets that seem to be holding our projects hostage. I have been there too, and I get it. It can be a real headache. But don't worry, I'm here to help. I'm John, and today we are going to discuss the art of removing rivets. It's time to say goodbye to your rivet related headache. So let's dive into it. Method number 1, removing rivets with a drill. This is a great option when you want to get the job done quickly. Here's what you'll need: a drill, no surprises there. A drill bit slightly smaller than rivet's diameter. Safety gear like goggles and ear protection. Safety first. Now, the steps to make it happen are pretty straightforward. Step 1. Insert the correct drill bit into your drill. Step 2. Align the drill bit with the center of the rivet. Step 3. Apply moderate pressure as you start the drill. Go slow and steady, you are not in a race. Step 4. The drill bit will create a hole in the rivet. Keep going until it pops off, and there you have it. One less rivet to worry about. Method 2. Remove rivets without a drill. But what if you don't have a drill handy or prefer a drill-free approach? We have got your back. Removing rivets without a drill, here's what you'll need: a hammer, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. Step 1. Place the flathead screwdriver at the edge of the rivet head. Step 2. Use the hammer to gently tap the screwdriver. This will start loosening the rivet. Step 3. Once the rivet is loose enough, use the pliers to grip it and pull it out. Voila! Another rivet was removed. Now you know 2 simple rivet removal methods. Whether you are a pro or new to power tools, these tips will get the job done. Safety is essential, so always wear your goggles and ear protection when drilling. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more and drop your questions or comments below.